Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is Cucumber Amber. So guys, today we are going to put properly our food cat. You know guys, our cat is spoiled brat cat. That's why he got a lot of food. You know, I'm going to show you guys. So he got a lot of food. This one is cat food. It's a lot of food cat. And different flavor guys. So I'm going to show you because I'm going to arrange it here on the top. All cat foods, you can find it here. So guys, let's see what kind of flavor our cat eat. This one guys, you see, our cat is living cat. He cannot be hungry here. He is always full. He just come home to eat, you know. He's no need to hunting his food. So this one guys, so we have to put here on the top. So 1 pack of this. I don't know how much guys. I'm not buying this. My husband buying our cat food. So see how nice the life of our cat. So this one is chicken flavor. Chicken flavor. So then we can throw this away. And one more guys. Here, I don't know what kind of flavor is this. Oh, beef flavor. This is beef. Look guys. Beef flavor. Lucky Cat. So a lot of things to do today guys. Every day if you are just at home, the housework without end guys. And after this I have to, you know, I have to mop the floor, and later I'm going to work in the garden after cooking lunch. So one more guys. I don't know what kind of flavor is this. You see? Forella. I don't know what kind of flavors. Making meat forella. Fish, I think guys, it's fish flavor. Fish flavor. So our cat eat different styles so that he will not get bored eating the same thing. So and this one is also forella flavor, a fish flavor guys. So it's clear, it's empty. So there is one more here guys. I don't know what kind of flavor is this. Lux. Oh, Lux guys. Lux flavor. Social yung pusa namin. Lux flavor. So guys, look. A lot. So our cat will not get hungry. He ate 4 times a day or more. give is another thing, guys. This one. This is also, I don't know what kind of flavor is this. Las mata lamb. So lamb in is how to say lamb, guys. How to say lamb in sheep. Social, ang daming flavor, guys. A lot of flavor. And this one is delicious. Is also chicken flavor. So this cat is spoiled brat cat. And guys, if you feed the cat with this one or this one, you have to mix it with dry food. We mix this one, guys, for cat. We also have a lot of flavor. This one I'm going to show you. I already opened it. This one, guys. Yeah, we mix this one together. So this one, guys, so that it's good for the teeth of your cat. Always crunchy. Yum yum yum. So I have to close it properly so that it will not get soft. Also this kind of, you can choose anything you want to mix it with how's this, with dry and wet food. You can mix it properly. So I have one more, guys. This one is also cat food, guys. So you see how our cat can get hungry. He got a lot of food. So this is all. It's a lot, guys. How lucky cat. Yeah. Wow, what is this flavor? Tasty chicken and turkey. Chicken and turkey, guys. Chicken and turkey. So also, guys, it's noisy because I'm doing my washing. double time multitasking. Guys, it's clear, it's empty. I can throw this away outside inside the box. So that's all I can share with you guys today, our cat food. So I already keep inside the drawer. So look at this, guys.